Hey, I'm Supats, lifelong solopreneur. Now living my life with only one passion to help solopreneurs to launch their digital products on fast track so that they can be profitable as fast as within 1 week, and they want to scale, they can join the membership. And as a bonus, I show them how they can sell their digital products all over the world using affiliates. Without further delay, let's get started. Totally different topic. We will be talking about running a simple 5-day challenge that will grow your business and that will build your list too. Challenges are a really great thing, and if you implement that into your business, they can create magic. Challenges, how they are done, okay, and what kind of problems they are addressing. So let's get started without further delay. Let's go into building your own challenge. Okay, so let's see what are the challenge. Are you struggling to grow your email list and convert leads into paying customers? You are not alone. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners, solopreneurs, yeah, they face these challenges daily. And we are building a challenge to overcome challenge. Yes, let's see how we are doing that. So what are our challenges? What are our pain points? Difficulty attracting the right audience who truly needs our product or services. So many times you might get leads, but they may not be qualified for your offerings, your products, your services, right? Low engagement rates with existing marketing efforts. Overwhelm from complicated marketing strategies that don't deliver results. Means you may build a really complicated sales funnel, but hey, if it is leaky, it is not producing, it is not converting. Yeah, if it is not producing results, then what is the point? Sometimes actually funnel building agencies, they charge like $4,000 per funnel, and hey, if it is not giving you results, what is the point? Limited time to build relationships and nurture leads effectively. Yeah, you might get new leads because of bundle and summits and so many things and all, but if they unsubscribe, you may not have even enough chance to put value and into their lives. You may not nurture them enough, so what is the point, right? Lack of clear actionable steps to convert interest into sales. This live means it is always focused on sales strategies. So we are talking mainly bottom line conversion and sales. So lack of clear and actionable steps means if lack of clear call to action is not there, then yeah, conversion is going to be poor. Challenges in automating marketing processes without technical headaches. Slow growth in revenue and customer base, stalling business progress. Slow growth, or actually no growth, initial phases for solopreneurs can really hurt their business and also hurt their self image, their life, because most solopreneurs quit their business before launching their first product. This is all the research showed me. Many entrepreneurs don't see second year in their business, and those who see second year, many of them don't see fifth year in the business. We are here to reverse that trend, right? So together, you and me, we will do that. Let's get started. So this presentation offers a clear step-by-step plan to run a simple 5-day challenge that addresses these pain points head on. You will learn how to attract your ideal audience, build trust, and grow your email list. Yeah, growing your email list, it is the bottom line, because social media is good and there are lots of things you can do on social media for free, but still you must have heard LinkedIn jails, Facebook jails, TikTok jails, there are all kinds of jails. You do one wrong thing, or even it may not be wrong, but wrong according to the algorithm. For example, I lost one of my big social media account just because I had mentioned funnel in the in the heading, in the title, and they said funnel is not allowed, it is a spam. And then they just, I had thousands of followers on that account, and that account was gone, and I never got that account back. Means once I was into LinkedIn jail, once I was into Facebook jail, but I contacted them and I asked them, why are you putting me in jail? And then they gave me my account back, but this particular account I never got back. So social media is good. You use it, and there are lots of things you can do for free. Means of course they are favoring for more to ads and all, but still there are lots of things you can do for free. But still you own the email list, and even if you keep on changing the email list platform, email marketing platform, you can actually just migrate your email is from one platform to other platform because you own it. So even if you are contacting people on social media, bring them to your email list, so all while setting the stage for your consistent sales growth. So this challenge will show you that how you can attract your ideal audience, build trust, and grow your email list. Yeah, for consistent sales growth, let's see what are the key points and supporting data and success stories. There are two major decision makers in our life. One is emotional center, that is heart, and second one is logical center, that is brain. So for emotional center, I always share the success stories, because if I'm telling you some strategies, I want to show you these are the success stories, so that will relate to your emotional center, that will relate to your heart. And when I give you supporting data, that will justify your logical center, that will justify your brain. So if these two centers are satisfied, then you will make your moving center to work, and that is your action center, because nothing happens without taking action. So otherwise you will have just knowledge constipation. So there are four major centers. First of all, if you are listening to this training, that means your intuitive center already told you that you need this. So that part is taken care of. And then success stories will give you the heart related success, and the supporting data will give you the information what your logical brain is needing, and moving center will help you take the action. And once you take the action, once you implement the strategies, these are proven strategies. So that's why I'm giving you the proof both ways, by success stories and data, so that it's up to you. Means I'm giving you data, it's up to you whether you want to implement it into your business or not. But I know you want to grow your business. That's why you're listening to this training. You will implement eventually. So choose a clear focus that resonates. Businesses that pick a specific relevant topic to their challenge see 40% higher sign up rates. Example here, a boutique fitness coach created a 5-day core strength challenge that attracted 500 plus new subscribers in 1 week, leading to a 25% increase in personal training clients. So this is a really great example. And initially I used to give examples only from my community, but now I'm giving examples from all around the world, because the strategies which I share, they are applicable for anyone, not just for digital business, but they are for even regular business, because strategies and mindset, mind frame, everything is same for any kind of business. And by I had participated in many challenges. For example, I remember I joined membership for video marketing, and she had taken a 5-day challenge, and she went step by step, because and she addressed all 5 days. She, the way she had planned that, she took one point every day, which actually stops people from starting a video marketing. For example, someone might say that, I have only iPhone, I don't have any sophisticated instrument to record my videos. So then her first step was that how you can record videos only on your iPhone and or Android, and you really don't need any sophisticated recording instruments and all. So that is what she covered in the first day of challenge. Then second day of challenge, she just covered that okay, see, if someone doesn't want to show their face on videos, so how the faceless marketing can work. So she tackled almost each and every hesitation or objection in those 5 days, main things. So at the end of her 5 days challenge, and she gave her offer that okay, this is my membership, and if you want more help and if you want ongoing help weekly or monthly basis, this is what you can join and this is what you will get. And yeah, majority people converted because whatever objections they had, she overcame those objections in first 5 days. She basically she really covered really well, and that was the first challenge I attended, and I was really impressed because the way she had set up her challenge, it was really great. And challenges can go from 3 days, 5 days, 7 days. So yeah, I have seen even 2 weeks challenges, but I think that might be just too much. And I don't know how many real people really have bandwidth to join 2 week challenges. But the 5 day challenges are really the sweet points. They work most of the time. 3 days might be really too short, and sometimes people, even though they are interested, they may not be able to join because of their some commitments, and also they may join just one day and they may not see the complete picture. So in 5 day, even if they join for 2 days, still means I think they get a bit better picture. So 5 day challenge, it is a really sweet spot. 7 day challenges generally don't work because people don't like to attend any meetings or something over a weekend. And if you take a break for weekend, then again you start next week, there is a gap. And in challenges you lose momentum if there is a gap. So 5 days continuously, it works really well from Monday through Friday. And every time at the end of the day, you can soft pitch the offer, and on the last day or last couple of days, can do actually direct selling or sharing of the offer, and more like a hard pitch. And that is what the pattern I saw for every challenge which I joined. So define a realistic, a meaningful result setting achievable goals keeps participants motivated and engaged. Challenges with clear outcomes have a 60% completion rate versus 30% for vague ones. So example, an online bakery user used a 5 day challenge to perfect cupcake challenge, resulting in 35% increase in online orders. Yeah, so this worked for him. Try, it will work for you too. Break the challenge into simple daily steps, daily task with easy to follow instructions. Reduce overwhelm and encourage participation. Reducing overwhelm and making it really simple, that will be really good for the participants. So example over here, a freelance graphic designer's 5 day logo design challenge included worksheets, templates, boosting email growth by 300 subscribers and generating 3 new client inquiries. Yeah, you might think, oh, okay, just three? It's not a big number. Yeah, but without challenge, it would have been zero. So I'm just sharing you the real data. And if you do it consistently, of course the results will be higher. And he got the 3 inquiries immediately, but out of those 300s, yeah, means even if 10% are interested, still means it is a good number. Out of the 330 will be a good number, not bad, right? And also I joined another challenge, that is the lead magnet challenge. And but this was a paid challenge I joined. And that paid challenge, it was just one day challenge, but it was more like a workshop. And he guided us on how to choose a lead magnet, how to create a landing page, how to set the automation and everything. And it was like a 4 hour workshop, but he called it challenge. And later on he pitched his email marketing offer. He also was affiliate for all in one platform, so he also set the challenge on that platform. So people who were looking for software, for all in one software, yeah, they joined as affiliate. So they may not have joined actually his email marketing program, but they became affiliate, and now he's making money every year because so we had a little technical glitch. So I'm changing the format of recording and I'm continuing. So we were talking about how this logo designer, yeah, he got 300 subscribers. And so 300 subscribers also, I just wanted to tell you, people do buy leads, and means even from the ads and all. And for each lead, yeah, people spend like $1 to $10, and some numbers are even high. So he got them for free. So there are so many advantages of challenges, I just wanted to tell you. And I just wanted to mention that how you might think that 3 client inquiries are so less, but put everything into perspective, because the strategies I'm sharing over here are basically where you don't have to spend enormous amount of money. Most strategies are free. So how you can grow your business with these free but smart strategies. So that is what. And I was telling you about the lead magnet challenge I had joined. That was actually 4 hour workshop. And then I joined this program called yeah, I became affiliate for the all-in-one platform, and he's making money every year because of my account. So just wanted to share that with you. So even though I didn't join his email marketing program, but hey, he made money somewhere or other. So just giving you ideas, so many kinds of challenges are possible. So depending on your business, you can strategize, and you define your strategy. So automate for efficiency and consistency using platforms like Newsendler. I'm using System.io. But there are many things like a Go High Level, Kajabi. There are many platforms. To schedule emails and content delivery saves time and ensures smooth execution. Actually, there is a new platform, AI Genius, where CRM is included, and plus all the AI tools. And that platform is really amazing. So if you are looking for AI help and CRM and all, yeah, means that platform also is available. If you want more details, DM me or email me a comment, and I can send you more information. So data, automated email sequences have 70% higher open rate than one-off emails, because automated emails, they have consistency. So people, if you just send one email in a month and all, people might have forgotten you and say, who is this, why is she sending me email? Or even internet gods, they may not even, their algorithm may not even favor to what you want to do. So I just wanted to tell you that and automation is good because you are delegating the mundane mechanical task to AI is doing automation, and you are using your brain for your business strategy. So that is a great thing. And you may forget, but AI won't forget. So automation, actually we can have just few trainings just on AI automation, and hey, that might be my future plan. So, example, an online education startup automated their challenge and saw a 50% increase in webinar signups immediately afterward. And that is really great strategy, because webinar, most of the people, they have one concern, that how to get people to attend their webinars. So here just wanted to tell you that these things are possible with the use of challenges. It's your business, your life. I'm giving you various options. So my new course on launch also, I have 21 kinds of launches possible, and out of that one is challenge, because not everything is suitable for everyone, because some people will like to do live challenges and live launches. Some people might think it is too exhausting. So it's up to you what you love to do, because it is your business. You should enjoy whatever work you are doing. So here, an online education startup automated their challenge and saw 50% increase in webinar signups. That's a great number. So if you are launching your product using webinar, or even not just launching, even if you are scaling your business with your webinar, that's also a great strategy. No, I have monthly master classes, and there are some people they offer the same class every month, but I like to offer a different masterclass every month, and my master classes are very comprehensive. See, these lives I'm generally covering only one point, but master classes I cover very comprehensive training. So I have master classes you can call webinar. I have evergreen webinar also, and that also I'm going to tweak and make some changes based on because now we have AI CRM. So I'll be offering that AI package also for participants, and CRMs can cost. I haven't seen any CRM costing less than $100 per month, so 100 to 300. But this AI business in a box, it's way cheaper. It's really like a steal. Anyway, you come for my masterclass, monthly masterclass, and we can talk about that later. My monthly masterclass is every first Wednesday of the month, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So when I travel, I might change the time, but right now, this is the set time. So promote widely and strategically, sharing your challenge across social media, email, personal network maximizes reach. Yeah, means don't leave any stone unturned. Data multi-channel promotion can increase signups by up to 5 times compared to just single channel efforts, because not everyone is active on every channel. And yeah, means same people might be on LinkedIn and even on Instagram and even in your email list, but hey, they may not open your email, or they may not go to Instagram that particular day, but they may go to LinkedIn. So just, yeah, cover all the challenges. And nowadays actually there are smart schedulers. You can have one post that goes to multi challenges at the same time. So work smartly, and yeah, don't do hard work, enjoy the process. A local health coach's multi platform promotion brought in 800 plus participants and doubled their email list just within 2 weeks. And when I'm talking about multi-channel, means everything, even collaboration, affiliation, referrals, cross promotions, everything. I have a free course called 27 Ways to Collaborate. And you can grab hold of that free course. And if you want, I can send you the link. So you know how to collaborate with other people, audiences, and grow your business and create a win-win situation. Because when you are creating a win-win situation, it is always beneficial, and you can have long-term relationship. Because win-lose or lose-win, any kind of those kind of relationships, they are not going to survive for long. Build trust and nurture leads before selling challenges. Provide value upfront, making participants more likely to buy later. Data here, businesses that nurture leads before selling sees 47% higher conversions rate. So here again there are two strategies. Some people say that you strike the iron when it is hot, but the The strategy which I use for striking the iron when it is hot, it's only for the low ticket and mid ticket offers. Because when you deliver lead magnet, and at that point, if you have a tripwire which is really deeply discounted, like a 90% off and low priced, low ticket, those conversions work well because people don't know you much. They just got your lead magnet. But if they are looking for more details related to your lead magnet, more in depth knowledge, and also you can design your tripwire accordingly and you can offer that. And if you have a welcome sequence set, so at the end of fourth or fifth welcome email sequence campaign, you can have a one time offer, and that one time offer can be a mid ticket offer, and that also converts well. But when someone is new into your community, generally the high ticket offers are not converting well. For that means they need to be part of your community, they need to know you better for some time, and then you can share high ticket offer based on their needs. And if they have need, if they're interested, and by now you have created no like and trust factor, yeah, you can convert it really well. So all the strategies depending on how long they are in your community, yeah, those strategies work. So example, a tech consultants challenge led to 20% increase in high ticket coaching clients within 30 days. But remember, means many of these clients might be already into his subscribers list, but now he provided additional data, additional help by giving a challenge, so that they came to know more about his offers in details. Because when you are joining someone's challenge for 5 days, they know more because people are busy and they are getting bombarded with so much of information. They don't have time to really sit and study your offer, though your offer might be great, but they don't have time to review that, right? Prepare and test everything before launch. Testing ensures a smooth experience and reduce drop offs. There can be tech hiccups, and yeah, means you experienced tech hiccup just now today in my today's session. Yeah, but I overcame, and this was not in my hand. Means everything was well tested, and I'm using this platform for ages. I have no idea why this tech hiccup happened, but yeah, but hey, I know I have alternate plan. So plan B is always there. A handmade jewelry business that thoughtfully tested their challenge platform saw a 90% completion rate, significantly higher than their previous 50%. Yeah, 90% is better than 50%, right? So, what is the conclusion here? Imagine turning your audience into engaged followers who are eager to buy from you, not just once, but repeatedly. Running a simple 5-day challenge can transform your business by building trust, growing your email list, and creating a natural path to your offers. This method fits perfectly for entrepreneurs and small business owners aiming to consistent six and seventh figure growth. So take control of your marketing with a straightforward, proven system that connects you with your ideal customers and sets your business on a steady growth path. What is next step for you here? Start planning your 5-day challenge today using the strategies given here and test it, promote it, watch your business grow. What is the gift for you over here? You join, yeah, this live today, so you are eligible to get attendance gift worth $600 at newbeginning.com. Go to nubeginning.com, and here there is a menu that says that redeem your gift, and you can redeem your gift. And if you are interested in joining our free AI lab, where I mentioned about the AI business in a box, AI CRM, but if you just want to join and learn AI, we tackle one project every weekday morning, and within 1 hour, the tech. project can be anything like creating chatbot or automate your business, or yeah, just write a comic book or anything, or just optimize your YouTube channel, anything. So join there 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and there will be yeah, few experts. They will be guiding you, telling you how they are doing, and hey, they will even gift you the prompts they are using. It, there is just information sharing and teaching. So, but that's only by invitation. It's not available for everyone. So, if you want to join, just let us know. And sure, I would like to accommodate you into that. This is just excited, and hey, in spite of our technical glitches, everything went on good. I could finish the presentation. I'm just happy about that. And thank you, and God bless you. See you tomorrow with another amazing topic that you can use to grow your business with ease. Thank you, and God bless you.
Success stories from busy professionals just like you. Karina T. says, able to resell courses immediately. The MRE courses transformed my digital marketing journey with straightforward content and valuable insights. I was able to resell courses immediately and keep 100% of the profits. Highly recommended for anyone starting an online digital business.
Hey, thanks for joining us. We are blessed to have you as part of our community, and whatever way we can help you, serve you, let us know. Please subscribe and let us know how we can help you, what resources you want. We have lots of free resources and also free collaboration joint venture groups you can join and explode your business, because most solopreneurs quit their business before they launch their first products, and I don't want that to happen to you. And that's why we have special launch service where you can monetize your digitals and become profitable as fast as within 7 days. And if you want to scale your business, join our membership New Beginning Success Collaboration, where we'll provide you MRR and PLR products and collaborations so that you can scale your business with ease and effortlessly. And hey, if you want to sell your digitals all over the world, yes, we will provide you affiliates more than 200 countries. So everything is possible. Just live your dream, follow your dream, and whichever way we can help you, do let us know. Thank you, and God bless you.